Hi guys, here's a bit of woodworking hack. So when it comes to gluing, oftentimes you'll find when you're gluing two pieces together, one slides over the other, and therefore you get uneven gluing, right? And when it dries out, you got uneven wood pieces, and then you're having to plane and whatnot. So these are plain and straight hardwood laminate pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the two pieces together, and the hack here being is this. I don't know if you can see close enough. Well, let me just zoom in. Right there. See all that? That's basically, you can use salt, you can use sugar, you can use, I just used sand. That's what I have here. So the reason being is you need something like grit, something to act as teeth. And so what it does is this will prevent, because glue is slippery, right? Slippery and sticky stuff, but most of the fact that it's slippery. So what happens is it wants to slide. Well, with grit and whatnot, something like this, rough element, this will prevent the glue and the pieces from sliding. And so you get a straight, well, you get two straight pieces that way.